Hello guys. This feels so weird to be recording because I took a long break. Oh my god, my hair. But I honestly took a long break because I struggle with really bad anxiety and overthinking and just a whole bunch of stuff. So I took a break because I was in my head and I let it get to me, but I'm back. I do not want to lag on my YouTube because I feel like I'm barely starting to get views and stuff, so I'm motivated. Anyways, I'm gonna be doing a room tour, updated room tour, because the first one I posted got a lot of views. Okay, not a lot, but a lot for me. So it wasn't even like prepared. I did it out of nowhere. I was just like, let me film a room tour. So sorry, I was reading my text message, but I figured I'd do another one because I kind of changed my room a little bit. And I hope you enjoy. Okay, so like I said, I've kind of changed things up a little bit. So I'm gonna start with, I guess I'll start with this. No, let me start over here. Sorry, that's really loud. I might edit that out if it's too loud, but I have this candle. So this is my little section where I like to keep things like these crystals. Should I turn on a different light so you can see everything? Let me like turn on the big light. Or the main light, I mean. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Guys, Jeffree Star is cancelled after what he did to, I mean, he's been cancelled, but like Team Trisha, Team Ethan. That's my friends, by the way. It really is. I just borrowed it. Anyways, so I'd like to keep this section like a little, I guess like a spiritual section. So I keep my crystals. I don't like use them much, but I went through a little phase where I was like, oh my god, I want to buy crystals, but I never really got into them. But they're cool. My friend gave me this one. And here's a dog playing the guitar. KK Slider. Here's this crystal. And then I have this little spirit pig. Just cute. I have, oh my god, I can't even pick it up. This one. Guys, I don't even know what these are. Like, I forgot what kind of crystals these are. Sorry, it's kind of out of focus. If you know, please let me know. This is a, I don't know. I'm not even gonna try. And then this one my friend gave me, which is so beautiful. And I have my salt lamp. And this bouquet, isn't that so cute? It's fake flowers, but it's so pretty. Look at this. My boyfriend got me it. And then I have this candle, Peace or Peach on Earth. It's dirty, but it smells so good. It smells like peaches, cinnamon, and vanilla. And then I got this one. These are both from Bath and Body Works. I got this one at Bath and Body Works like 4 days ago because they're having a big sale. So I just lit it. Oh, that's so relaxing. And my jewelry box, lighters, and some sage. Should I light it? Oh my god, have you guys seen that video? She should light it on camera. The girl when she like lights a blunt or something. Here. My sage, and then my money frog, money toad, and my dragon jewelry box. Okay, now let's get over here. Let me move this. So my bed, like I said, I kind of redecorated a bit. So I'm trying to like keep like a little like cute theme, you know? I don't know, like I just want something more happy and like bubbly, because like I said, I've been feeling really down because I deal with so much anxiety and I get in my head, and I felt like my room was so messy, and it didn't have a theme, and so I decided, like, since I'm always in my room, I might as well make it something relaxing. And my friend, she gifted me all of these, so I have the little collection, which is so cute. And then I have my Toy Story alien, and my Charmander AirPod case, and then right here I have my Insta stacks. Let me focus. Little mini camera. Should I take a picture or something? I'm just fucking wasting film. Should I take a selfie? I kind of want to, but it's gonna come out bad. And I film. Oh my gosh! I put the film in my candle. I have this incense. And some tarot cards. Some more tarot cards. Let me go on this side. Ow, my sugar. Oh, guys. This lamp. I was gonna turn off my light, but this lamp, it's like a vintage one. My mom got it for me at the thrift store. Isn't that so? Oh my god. Ew, my walls are so dirty. I need to clean them, dust them. But yeah, isn't this so cute? I love the little like teardrops. Or drops. Why are they called teardrops or just drops? And then I have this perfume. I just put it there because it's like a cute packaging. And some flowers that my friend gave me on my birthday. When I sleep, I put this right there though, because I don't want it to fall on my head. And this troll, painted it myself. Why does my room literally look like a 4-year-old girl's? Right here is what I want to make an art wall. So I want to buy some prints, like some anime prints, like a Sailor Moon one, or Trunks one, a Attack on Titan, Space Dandy, just stuff like that. And I want to like get it from artists that made it, because I want it like a cute style, you know? So I want to just fill this wall with some prints. Right now I just have Kanye, these that my best friend gave me. Isn't this so cute? They're at the spa. This is so cute. Oh, I love that. Yeah, it's cute. And then I have this magazine, Electra. Oh fuck. Oh my gosh, hold on, it came off. Okay. Then I have my Jesus. And my bag. And then I have a calendar, which I have not read in anything. Oh my god, it's still in December. And I have this fan, just so beautiful. My mask, Hello Kitty. Put this blanket over my window because sometimes I low-key feel like my neighbor can see, and it makes me paranoid. Because I'm like I don't want him to look. Like, what if I'm changing or something and I feel like he can see into my room? But and right here I just have this this poster that I got in the mail. I thought it was cute. And then I have this that my friend gave me. And I want to do a perfume collection video so I can show like everything one by one. And you know, just like my makeup, right here's some more like high-end perfumes. since here's like sprays. And these are some earrings. Do you want to see them? Let me put you down so I can take them out. My boyfriend got me these. They're Gucci earrings. Ignore my nails, sorry, they're kind of ugly. He got me these for our anniversary. And he has a bracelet that kind of looks like this. So we're matching. This is a little... Oh yeah, so I got this like fake vanity at the thrift store. My mom got it for me, and like someone literally just made it. So they're like lights that you just touch, and hold on, I'm trying to like figure out an angle. I don't know, but yeah, they're just lights. And right here I have this candle inside a cute heart. I have this candle that I got at my friend's bridal shower. I have my other, this is the first deck of tarot cards I got, and I just keep them right here because I feel like it looks cute. Focus. And some fake flowers. Sailor Moon figurine, my best friend. Oh my gosh, my chair creaking. Sailor Moon figurine my best friend got me. This butterfly, it was a hair clip, it kind of broke. A rose quartz trunks. This vanity I got, or what is this? A little vanity. I got it at the thrift store. I kind of got it dirty. I tried to repaint it. I just put some necklaces in there. My incense holder. Oh my gosh, I cleaned it yesterday, but I kind of burned it yesterday too. My card. Let's pick a card, guys. Let's see. I'm gonna shuffle, and the one that falls out. Okay, I can't really shuffle because I have one hand. Let's just pick one. Okay, this one. The one right here. 1, 2, 3, the 4 cups. This card means not appreciating what you have, wanting more, not being satisfied, not being grateful. What does that mean? Is that for me or for you? I don't know. Let's do one more. The 6 of Swords. This is going away, leaving something, starting something new. Should I do tarot videos? I'm not even a pro at tarot, but yeah. So honestly, that's pretty much it. I feel like it was just a little quick video that I wanted to do to like put myself back. Oh, my eyelash always comes off in my videos. Look at that. I feel like it's just a video I wanted to do to put myself back into the mood of making videos. And I got more paper videos coming soon because I know you guys like those. And if you have any requests, please let me know. And thank you for watching. If you watched this, I hope you liked it. If you didn't like it, please don't comment anything mean because I will cry. Just kidding, nah, but yeah, thank you for watching. Just be nice, okay? Also, I have a message. A message for you is, if you have nothing nice to say, don't say anything. And please Be a good person. Try to be a good person, okay? I try every day. Sometimes it's hard. No, it's not hard. What am I even saying? I'm just rambling. But yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. And I also have a microphone, which I think you noticed. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm gonna go to sleep now because I have work tomorrow. But yeah, thanks. Bye.